Hi, in this video, we will see how to blur any specific part of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is the clip and we want to blur face of a girl. So for that, you go to Effect Control and search here Fast Blur. So this is the Fast Blur effect. You can simply drag and drop on your timeline. Then go to Effect Control and here are ellipse mark. Click on the ellipse mark and here are a marker. You can position on the face. We have added the marker on the face. Then here are blurriness. You can set the value of a blurriness. So now let's play. But marker is out of the face. So let's fix it. From this position, our marker or our blur is out of a face. So let me fix that. Let's make mask path. Then click to mask. Then readjust your marker. Then go a few frames and see your clip and again reset the marker. It will automatically create a keyframes for you. In my video, don't have a much movement of an object, so we can easily do. Alright, so today we have seen how to add a fast blur on any object to make a blurriness. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.